Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index futures and options. First let us see where the market can possibly open. For that we are referring to the Singapore exchange price. Now the price is trading around 11,286. Yesterday our market closed somewhere near 11,270s. Possibly more or less we can say just above the yesterday's closing the possible market can open, which is subject to changes since this is a 10-minute delayed price, and we are recording this video session much earlier, so there will be some minor changes or major changes in the price opening. But what happened after our NSE closes yesterday in the Singapore exchange, we could see the price testing 11,325 again. So that is one takeaway. So now let us move on to our exchange. So this is the price actions what happened yesterday. Initially we had some sort of selling, but we expected the price to open much higher, but there is a variation in the price opening. That initially there was some selling, but again price took support near 11,160, and 11,200 was constantly maintained as a support, and the price went for buying. So closed near 11,268, and today more or less it look like a continuation of what happened on the previous day. So price can possibly open here and buy till 11,200 by placing stop at 11,190, expecting the price to move up. And if you feel that the stop loss range is quite high, wait for the price to drop, then go for buying, so that your stop loss will be minimum. But we cannot place or decrease this place stop loss in between or decrease the stop loss. We can move to the options contract, and you see the contract which is going to expire the coming 20th. You can try 11,300 call option, which closed at 58. Possibly it can open somewhere near 60s here. You can buy this if there is some 5 or 10 points drop. You can buy this call option, because since it is a 2 strike out of money call option, it will give some sufficient buffer if you place 25 points stop loss. Because one thing that can possibly happen, if the price is going for buying, so it should break 11,320 if there is a buying here, like what we are expecting, and surely it will enter into then this 11,350 will be the at the money, and the price can again test or move above 11,400. That is a key development as a buyer we are expecting. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Up trading, take care, bye.